What's up, everybody? It's Mega Kid 205 back with you with another video. But today, we are going to do the shotgun only challenge on Zombs Royale. Yeah, the shotgun only challenge. Let's get into this gameplay. Hold up. I want to change my outfit. I don't want to be gold bug anymore. I want to be glowy nose. Nah, I don't want. I want to be. Yeah, I want to equip that. Get my little pink hat. I'm a cowgirl. Alright, yeah, let's get into it. Y'all, so remember now, all I'm doing is getting shotgun. I can't get any other gun but a shotgun. Skin nude. Alright, I hope I find a shotgun automatically. It's a lot of action. And I don't want to go to Lucky Lake, because if I don't find a shotgun, I'm dead. That's all I gotta say. If I don't find one, I'm dead. And I'm probably about to die right now. Ooh, shoot. Oh, wait, I'm leaving from right there, because I just seen like a million dudes. Oh my god. Please be shotgun, please. Come on, no shotgun, bro. Out of everything, no shotgun. Alright, I see how you wanna treat Mega Kid 205. But please subscribe to me. I'm trying to get my YouTube right. Because if I don't get enough subscribers, I will stop YouTube. Oh my god. Boy, I can't even find no shotgun. I used to find shotguns here every day. But I see now it's not worth it anymore. I'm gonna get those grenades out of my face. I'm gonna cry if I find a shotgun. Oh my god. Please. Alright, I'm serious though, please. I need a shotgun. Please. Hold on, I hear someone and I can't use that. Oh my god. Please be a shotgun. No shotgun. Oh no, I'm going back. I got it. I had to. Oh, why did I do that? I'm going back to that photo. He followed me? Oh my god. He followed me, bruh. As you know, I could not use any of those guns. But are you making bread? Burger?
What one?
A burger?
It got bacon and cheese in it, so it's not that much cheese in it, so.
Bruh. Alright, I hear it. I'll give it to him. GG. GG. I give that to him, bruh. He actually was desperate for that kill, I guess, because I never seen the dude actually follow me through a portal to kill me. So I ain't never had that happen to me. But I played in school, and no, that never happened to me. But I played it in school once. Oh my god, bro! I swear to God, if I don't get a shotgun this time, I'm ending YouTube. I'm not gonna do that. Man, if I end YouTube, I'm not gonna get any subscribers, bro. Alright, but I'm not gonna do that. I gotta jump now. Please don't kill me. No. I can't have this gun. Why are you shooting at me? Shoot at someone else. Oh no. Kill someone else, bruh. Kill someone else. Oh my god, he didn't even have a name. That's why he looked like a raw potato. He was walking around shooting guns. I swear to God, if I ate raw potato, then you was the one who killed me, I'll mess you up. If I don't find a shotgun immediately and a raw potato kill me, I'm gonna get mad. And then I'm just gonna... Oh, he's not killing me. That's for a fact. Why? No shotgun? Y'all, all these guns, none of them are shotguns. I guess I gotta keep looking. Oh, just heard someone in there. Sure, not going in there. Please be shotgun. Please. Okay, I swear to God. Got a shotgun though. I don't want nothing. Bro, I just got a shotgun, bro. I'm happy now. Nope, take that out, take that out. I'm so happy. Yeah, got a shotgun. But all I need now is some help. Yeah. No, oh no, actually all I need is a shield. Wait, is that a shotgun? Nope. But they really, ooh, shotgun. They just gave me the best shotgun in the game. Comment down below if y'all... Wait. I think I just heard someone. I'm not even about to... Wait, I need those bandages, bro. The storm is coming now. No, I can't do that. Out of all that, I literally got hit by the storm. He trash. I'm slick, just... Wait, I didn't even know I was about to win this. Wait, I see a dude. I'm not even... Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. Bruh. One more time. If this does not go how I planned, I don't know. But I hope this works. We gotta find a shotgun, bro.
You need a napkin. That was a bad idea.
Oh my god. Yeah, I'm eating, y'all. But we got to find a shotgun, bro. Bro. Oh, yep. Oh, yay, shoot. Let me go ahead and drink that. Oh, nope, can't have that. Nope. I swear to God. Alright, we gotta drink that. Alright, let's see what's in here. Oh, wait, a shotgun, but I can't have that pistol. Let's get that ammo. Can we find another shotgun? Can't have none of that. Hope someone have a good time finding all that loot. And there's the dualies. I want more than one shotgun. I don't just want... Okay. Well, 2 shotguns, but they're the same. Same color. Wish it was purple, but... Alright, we're good now. Let's go. Dang it! Bruh. Oh, I could have got like 2 kills. Let's see how many kills. Oh, 1. Alright. Alright, let's see how many kills we're gonna get this time. Yeah, comment down below what challenge should I do next. Please be a shotgun. Please. Oh my God, no. You doing the challenge too, buddy? I know. It's hard finding a shotgun. Oh, no, can't have that. Hey, buddy, come over here and get that. You don't need it. You will need it. Ah, get out of here. Get away from me. Alright. Now. Wait, is he lagging? Oh, no, he's not lagging anymore. I know we weren't supposed to use shotgun, but I thought he was trying to kill me, so I just started taking a little damage. And this dude went and found the gun and killed me? Really? Alright, see, I see how it is now. But when I find a gun, I'll automatically kill y'all too. I used to have this gun. I used to be a pro. Bruh, we could've. I should never shot him. I should have just been friends with him, bruh. I should have just like. I did a whole bunch of emails. Oh wait, I forgot I was landing right here where all the shotgun be at. Never mind, it's not my place today. Too many kids going there. I am about to literally die. Dang it. He got a gold shotgun. I'm gonna wait till he leaves so I can get it. Oh no, wait, he seen me. He seen me. Oh my god, mythic. Okay. I hope y'all like this video. Please comment down below what other challenge y'all want me to do. And peace.